chill, hear the wind and birds sing. Ah, ah, my tears are always frozen. I can see the air I breathe, but my fingers painting pictures on the glass in front of me. Lay me by the frozen river where the boats have passed me by. All I need is to remember how it was to feel alive. Silent days, violent shades, we are dancing again in a dream by the lake. Ah, ah, my tears are always frozen. I can see the air I breathe, but my fingers painting pictures on the glass in front of me. Lay me by the frozen river where the boats have passed me by. All I need is to remember how it was to feel alive. Rest against my pillow like the aging winter sun. Only wake each morning to remember that you're gone. So I drift away again to where I belong. My tears are always frozen. I can see the air I breathe, but my fingers painting pictures on the glass in front of me. Lay me by the frozen river where the boats have passed me by. All I need is to remember how it was to feel alive. My tears are always frozen. My tears are always frozen. My tears are always frozen. Guys, guess what? I had an audition for Netflix yesterday in a lead role. So if you're watching this, before you go to bed tonight, shout out a little manifestation, write it in your little journal. Steph Tomsky, Netflix 2021. Let's make it happen. Come on.